In this video, we will show you the butterfly valve stem manufacturing process. The process begins with the selection of high-quality raw materials. The raw material is then cut to the required length and prepared for machining. Next, the stem undergoes precision turning operations on advanced CNC and lathe machines to achieve accurate dimensions. After turning, threading and slotting are carried out as per design specifications to ensure smooth valve operation. The stem is then heat-treated, improving hardness and wear resistance for long-term performance. Following heat treatment, the component is polished and surface finished to achieve a smooth, high-quality finish. Each butterfly stem is then subjected to strict quality inspection, including dimensional checks and visual inspection. Next, the identification number is engraved on the stem for traceability. Finally, the finished stems are cleaned, packed, and made ready for dispatch. At SREE Mahalakshmi Industries, we deliver precision-engineered valve components with assured quality and reliability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more manufacturing process videos.